girls, welcome to our second capsule of Marc Cain that's arrived in store. So this is a slightly smaller capsule, so we've saved this for our Saturday special. It is all about the beautiful lilacs and shocking purples. So to starters, we've got this fantastic, beautiful and relaxed jumper. It's got the side slits there for comfort, and this is what I would call a very pale lilac. Just as we zoom in, you can see the detail is almost like all different squares in there. It's got the beautiful rib detail to the cuffs and obviously to the waistline. It is also available in pearl grey. So I'm trying to give you two sizes there, girls. So the higher the size you go, it always gives it a little bit more length. So that is a beautiful collection, two beautiful jumpers there from Marc Cain. Pearl lilac and the beautiful pearl grey. Then we have this very different blouse. So this is a pinstripe blouse. It's got an asymmetrical button fastening on the front, and it's got all the lilacs in there. So we've got stripes going opposite ways on the cuff. It's got the beautiful detail there to the cuff as well. And again, I think these are quite a generous fit, girls. So you can see there, and as you open this button on the front, so you can either have it as we just showed you, or you can just have it there as a plain pinstripe shirt. But that is absolutely stunning as well. This style is always a great winner for us in store. So this again has got all the purples in there, the aubergine, which is a predominant colour in lots of our collections in this season going forward. It has actually got the detachable, the detachable bow there to the front, so you can either wear it with the bow or without. There's a small button on there to release it. It's got the gorgeous detail on the front, and again, lengthwise, it's a great length as well. And if I was going for one of these, as say I'm a 14, I would go for a size 4. To me, the star of the show is this. This is by Hesens, and I've just slotted this in because it fits in with this collection. This is a beautiful silk blouse, and as you see, it's just a shocking purple. This arrived in store last week, and I think we've got 2 left. So you've really got to be hot off the press, girls, with this. I love the length. It's just absolutely fantastic length. It feels beautiful on the skin, and I've just got it on with a pair of the rib cuff jeans that are absolutely fantastic. Then I'm just going to finish this little collection with this fun jacket. So it's a faux fur fun jacket. It is a polyester mix, and it is washable on a 30-degree, girls, so that's even better. And again, you can either have the collar up or down. Very pale ice grey. It's got the pockets there to the side, and it's just a gorgeous little fun faux fur jacket. So all these items are live on our website, so please check for your size, price and availability. Take care and have a lovely weekend. Love soon. Bye bye.